want to talk about this corner that Dylan hit the pole at. This corner is horrible. He didn't do nothing wrong. I was riding my e-bike, as you can see in this video. Rewatch it if you have to. I was going perfectly down, like right on the white line, and I got to that spot, and it sucked my bike right to the right towards that pole because that road is uneven. If you watch this video, repeat it and look at it. I almost smacked that pole, and I'm not stoned. I'm not drunk. I've been DoorDashing all day. DoorDash, I hate it that they sent me down this road in the first place. I hate going down the road, especially after this happened to Dylan. He was 31 years old, y'all. Nobody deserves this, and I can tell you what right now, it's a dangerous spot. It had nothing to do with any way he was driving at all, because it pulled my e-bike over there, and he was on a stand-up scooter. So rest in peace, Dylan. I will be putting something at that pole for you. Just give me a little bit of time, buddy. I didn't know you, but much love.
Pavement's crumbling where the shoulder meets the blacktop. That wooden sentry standing where the gravel starts to drop. It's a narrow squeeze, a gamble every time you roll on through. Before the ambulance is screaming, someone's gotta do what's true. Fulton, move that danger from the edge of the street before another broken heart is laid out in the heat.